Hello guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magtali ng taekwondo belt o karate belt. First, ang tanggal ko na. First, get your belt. Tie it like this. Make a cross. Now, you sinusukat nyo, tapos ganyan na, like X and Z. Okay, wait. Next X. X. Okay. Make some we decide that. No, we don't do that. No. You don't do that. Just put that there. No, just that. And that you have to tie about. Okay, let's rewind. Again, that. And that. That's the logo, okay? Grab the two hands. Perfectly tie a belt. Bye-bye.